works is it's actually 80 years, and they don't rent it out. You own the land of that. So you own that property for a maximum of 80 years. The reason they do it like this is so that you either hand it down to your kids, so it's an incentive to have children, or you sell it to someone else in the family, or you just sell it and move somewhere else. So it's kind of like an incentive to move up. So most of the properties that people have in China, especially now, is one that's either been handed down to them from their parents or an investment. And not like a lot of people do rent in China as well. It's a huge rental market. But they also have a very interesting cultural thing going on where, which they're trying to stop, especially in smaller areas in China, which is basically that, you need to buy an apartment as a man going into a relationship. You need to basically, as a dowry, lack of better word, you need to have a property for you and your wife to live in. Going into that going into marriage. But
aren't apartments? At least I know. I think it's in Hong Kong. Apartments are kind of split up between families, where one apartment is shared by 5 people, but that's just lack of spacing more than anything.
yeah, that's just because Hong Kong is a cesspool. It's Hong Kong is like a very small island with a lot of people on it. So mainland China is really spread out and massive. There's not a huge amount of I mean, there's space is abundant. You can live as far or as close to the city as you want. There's no shortage of property. There's it's probably too much property, if anything.
Personally, I'd buy something on the countryside, just like less than an hour from the city.
Yeah, that's kind of, so the one I got in China it's on the 3rd ring. So they do cities by ring roads. There's like the main circle of the city, which is like the CBD, and there's second, and then the ring roads go out. The one I've got is around about 20 minutes drive from the main ring road, the central ring road. So it's not super far away. It's within scooter distance, which is perfect for me because I love scooters. So I'm just gonna fucking boost it around, a little electric scooter. I might even get a moped. I might get like a Vespa with like an Italian flag down it and just be an absolute idiot. That'd be kind of fun.
How are you gonna import a Vespa though?
They do sell Vespas there. I mean, they got Vespa shops.
Because I'm surprised they even have them here in the U.S. I've only seen one store for it.
Man, you can get Vespas anywhere. Vespa is like, I got a Vespa here. It's sick. What's Steve doing?
Oh,
YouTube.
I'm development crypt.
Kind of curious.
Oh.
Kickstarter. Oh, that's a shame. Anyway, I got to get to my next meeting. It was a good chat, though. Enjoy chatting to each other. And I'll see you guys on the next live stream, whenever that is.
Yeah, thank you. It is here, and I'll hope